In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear a paper jam out of your EcoTank printer. We have the ET2850 model, but this process is going to be similar for just about all the EcoTank printers. They're constructed in a similar way. So first step is it gives you a notice on the front panel. There's a jam, and you can lift the tray up to actually see the jam. It'll actually prop itself up if you push it all the way. So in this case, you can see that the laminated paper that we were putting in there, it must have had a fold to it, so it started crinkling when the printer head started sliding across the top of it. So that will cause it to jam, of course. So you want to get the printer head out of the way, but you don't want to cause too much disruption to its placement. So what you typically want to do is try to pull the paper out manually, get it out of the way of the printer head, and you can reset that back to its position. And in this case, it actually just pulls out from the back pretty easily. Sometimes it gets lodged in there so hard that you have to actually pull the paper out this way. So if that's your case, that would be your next step, is slide the printer head out of the way and then gently start to pull the paper out that way. I got lucky in my case, it didn't get too jammed. But go ahead and close the lid. Push OK. It has some on-the-screen prompts that you want to get through. I'm just going to click back a bunch. I'm going to turn it off. And then turn it back on. And then we'll start to print again. And then we'll hit print and try again, and that will clear your paper jam. Good luck on your project. Hope that helped.